The new cab offers more storage and a new dynamic instrument cluster. A high-resolution instrument display allows the driver to select between 4 different screen views, depending on the driving situation and information wanted on the display. Our state-of-the-art side display provides infotainment, navigation, transport information, and camera monitoring. The side display is set within easy reach of the driver and can be controlled through the voice recognition system, the touchscreen, or by using the intuitively positioned buttons on the steering wheel. The new FM is both workplace and living area, with a raised bed set to a comfortable sitting height, perfect for getting work done. To make driving even more enjoyable, we've added enhanced insulation that helps maintain a comfortable cab temperature and minimize outside noise. For a more individualized and ergonomic driving position, the new Volvo FM steering wheel features a neck tilt enhancement. Moving from the driver's seat inside the cabin is easier than ever with our new, slimmer, ergonomically designed I-Shift gear selector.